the two different images of the Earth's magnetic field. On the left is a model of a normal situation where you have the lines of force extending out and of both the north and the south pole, and they loop back around and they form what's called our magnetosphere. It's a shield from solar radiation, from radiation from outside of our solar system. And we were talking about this galactic plane, and every 13,000 years, which is a half cycle, we go through that center of the universe where there's more gravity, more radiation, things like that. Now, on the right, you see what is a model of what would start occurring during a reversal. In other words, the north and south pole magnetically of the Earth would change. And that's been detected in lava flows and rocks in different techniques. And in Oregon, we talked about that in one mountain there on an extinct volcano, they tested the lava and it had hardened in that day. And it had hardened during an extreme shift. So there was a volcano going on during that shift, but they measured a 6-degree tilt of the Earth in one day. Now, scientists around the world now are starting to notice that it's starting to change. And of all the times to where we don't need our shields down, we're going right through this 13,000 year half cycle of this galactic plane. Now, back this summer, we have a satellite called GRACE that orbits the Earth. It measures the gravity field. You can see this July 2013, guys. And we're getting more, and it does this in the summer more. But this year, we're starting to get extreme gravity pulling at the equator. Now, you see the red line, that's over the northern part of South America, just below. You see Central America there, Cuba coming out there. That's right over that area, and they're saying it's due to magma flow. Now, magma contains iron, which controls these magnetic lines of force. You understand what I'm saying? Now, for some reason, we're getting extreme gravity there, a peak, and that's because of that. Now, notice how at the north and south you have your normal gravity peaks where your lines of force come out, but it seems that the North Pole is a lot stronger than the South Pole at this point. So, and one thing to remember is that they're saying that even though the lava can be shifting, it's not directly connected to the Earth's crust, so it may not be an immediate tectonic effect as far as earthquakes and things like that. But it depends on the extremity of the shift and the time it takes. But again, one of the things they worry about is our magnetosphere, and that would be an extreme radiation event for everyone on Earth. Grids, humans, plants, AM till 2 p.m. Central Time. We're going to talk about this and some of this chemicals in the space dust, some of the sinkholes. Join us there. I'll put a link. Heads up.